Did you know? How stealth jets vanish from radar. Ever wondered how some of the most advanced aircraft in the world seem to disappear from radar screens? Today, we're diving deep into the technology that makes stealth jets like the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II virtually invisible. Before we explore the secrets of stealth, let's quickly review how radar works. Radar, short for radio detection and ranging, is a crucial tool for military operations, providing essential information about the location and movement of objects. Radar systems transmit electromagnetic waves, typically in the 1 to 30 GHz range. When these waves encounter an object, such as an aircraft, they bounce back to the radar receiver. The system then analyzes the strength and timing of the returning signal to determine the target's position, speed, and size. Advanced defense systems, like the S-400 and Patriot missile systems, use phased array radars. These systems can electronically steer radar beams to scan vast areas rapidly, detecting even small or fast-moving targets at long distances. Stealth technology exploits radar's reliance on strong reflections to make aircraft vanish. The key is reducing what's known as the radar cross-section, RCS. RCS measures how much radar energy an object reflects back to the source. The F-22 Raptor has an RCS of approximately 0.0001 square meters, while the F-35 Lightning II has an RCS of about 0.0015 square meters. This is like hiding a massive fighter jet from radar as effectively as a tiny golf ball. So, how do stealth jets achieve such low RCS values? It's a combination of innovative design and advanced materials. First, angled surfaces are crucial. Stealth jets are designed with carefully angled surfaces that deflect radar waves away from the source. This prevents the waves from bouncing directly back to the radar system. Think of it like tilting a mirror. If you angle it correctly, light won't reflect straight into your eyes. Similarly, radar waves are deflected away, making the jet nearly invisible to radar. Second, special coatings play a vital role. Stealth aircraft are covered in radar-absorbent materials, RAM, high-tech coatings that absorb radar signals instead of reflecting them. These materials, often ferrite-based paints and carbon composites, convert radar energy into heat, minimizing reflections. This prevents the radar system from receiving a strong return signal, making the aircraft harder to detect. Finally, jagged edges help scatter radar waves. Stealth aircraft often have serrated edges on panels, wing flaps, and engine inlets. These features help to scatter radar waves in multiple weak directions, breaking up the signal. It's like shattering a beam of light into tiny fragments. The radar can't piece the reflections together, reducing the chances of detection. With these advanced technologies, stealth jets like the F-22, F-35, B-2 Spirit, and upcoming NGAD, Next Generation Air Dominance, aircraft dominate modern air combat by avoiding detection, striking first, and evading enemy defenses. Even with powerful radar systems, stealth jets can remain undetected until they are dangerously close, giving them the ultimate edge in battle. If you found this tech review informative, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Stay tuned for more insights into the cutting-edge technologies shaping the future of defense.